When you need drills that not only work, but go the extra mile, look no further than the Alpha Gold Series. The 135-degree split point increases speed, minimizes wandering, and reduces swarf. The specialized heat-treated, fully ground M2 HSS raw materials offers unrivaled strength and durability. The premium titanium nitride coating reduces heat and increases lubricity, dramatically reducing friction and increasing drill life. The Alpha Gold Series are proven performers in all trade and industrial applications, incorporating premium quality materials with superior manufacturing technology. After rigorous independent testing, the Alpha Gold Series provides at least 30% more holes than other Australian drill bits, making them not only versatile, but strong enough for steel, stainless steel, wood, and plastic. The Alpha Gold Series, giving you more holes for your dollar.